Guys, it is August 8th, and it is time to say goodbye to Dropbox Password. Now, they're going to be rolling this out in 3 different phases for you, and we're going to explain those in this video. But before we jump into that, I just want to say, if you're using Dropbox Password or no password manager at all, you really should be using one. So we're going to put in the description below 2 different links. One is for 1Password, which Dropbox is pushing people to 1Password in their email they sent out. They're giving 50% off for the first year if you move to 1Password from Dropbox Password. The software we use and we really like is also 50% off for some other deal. I don't know why, but I found a link for you and I put it in the description below. So hopefully it works when you click it. If the promotion ended, both of those products are still great products. So pick one of them or LastPass or another password manager and just make sure you're using one. But in this video, our main focus is those 3 phases, and let's jump into that now. All right, for those 3 phases, there are 3 important dates you need to remember: August 28th, September 11th, and October 28th. August 28th is when your passwords will become view only. What that means is you're only going to view the passwords. You won't be able to update them. You won't be able to make new ones. Any passwords in Dropbox Password are going to be view only. On September 11th, what's going to happen is the mobile app will shut down. You will no longer be able to get to your passwords with the mobile app. So if you're still trying to use it and you haven't been updating passwords, you should have transitioned by then. But if you haven't, on September 11th, you will no longer be able to use the app to see your passwords. And finally, phase 3, where they just literally, we are done and they delete all of your passwords, is October 28th. So make sure, it's very important that you export your passwords and set up a new password manager by October 28th. Do it sooner so you're not pushing that deadline, because we all know we're procrastinators. I am especially, but just do it a little bit before October 28th. Like, don't wake up the morning of October 28th and try to export. It might not work because they could have shut it down at midnight, right when it switched to October 28th. So October 28th is that really important date. If you don't get your passwords out by then, you will no longer be able to retrieve them. They are going to delete everything on their servers and they will be gone. So make sure by October 28th, you get your passwords out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.